that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. Whip, body, whip, body.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new and viewing, welcome to the channel, y'all. So today I'm installing this beautiful orange ginger wig that Klaiyi Hair was kind enough to send over today for your girl to try it out. I'm not sure if you guys are super duper active on social media, but if you are, and you probably follow like a bunch of hair companies or hair influencers or whatever, these orange wigs right here, this ginger hair is popping this fall season, okay? Like, I see it everywhere. So when I had the opportunity to try out this ginger wig, you know your girl had to do so. So yes, I'm installing it for you all today, and we're just gonna see like how it works out, how it plays out. So first things first, just a little bit of the construction details about the wig. It has some combs in it, the adjustable straps. The combs are towards the front, towards your temple area. You also have a comb in the back of your head, like right in the middle in the nape area, and then you have your adjustable straps. And then as far as the lace, you have more lace to work with in terms of in the front, like when you want to pluck it. And then you have the parting space that you can pluck out some more as well. But they do have tracks that are sewn into the closure area, so you don't really have the ability to part it and make it into like a different parting area on your head. But it may be possible to like pick the wig up, of course, adjust it and move it over some if you want to make it look like you have a side part. Me personally, I do love a good middle part wig, so I was perfectly fine with it being like this, and that's how we're going to install it today. So the first thing I'm going to do, of course, is use my wax stick and my hot comb. Those two tools are key when I'm installing any type of wig. They just do the job for me. They get it done. They get the hair flat. I love my roots to be as flat as possible, and I like my flyaways to be out of my way. And I'm also going to install my wig today using the Got To Be gel and a little bit of freeze spray as well. With this process, using those products usually will last me about a day or two for an install. If you want a longer lasting hold, of course, use some type of lace glue, one that is for longer lasting installs, of course. And then I'm just going to secure that in place using my blow dryer, pushing those hairs back, pushing the lace down onto my head to make sure it melts. And then we're going to work on cutting that lace off. So I did go back and forth, you guys, trying to decide if I wanted to add some baby hairs to this look today, but I just wasn't feeling it. I just wanted it to be just straight on out, straight like it is. But with the lace that they do give you in the front, you can make a little bit of baby hair action if you would like, maybe a little slight swoop, just depending on what you choose, what you like. And then I'm also going to use a little bit of makeup right there in the front where that Got To Be spray is adding like a little bit of flakiness, a little bit of the ashy look. Just try to get rid of that a little bit. So initially, I thought I wanted to wear the wig straight. The wig does come in like a body wave texture. So I was working on straightening out the hair and stuff, and it was looking pretty. It was looking real good. I'm not saying it doesn't look bad. I'm not saying it looked bad. However, when I straightened it out, it was just too flat for me. I didn't like how flat it was, which makes me want to speak on the density. I felt like the density, for me personally, I would love for it to be thicker. I would love to see a more high density wig in this color, but that's just my preference. Of course, you guys, that it's just something I like, okay? So yeah, I was straightening it out, and then I was like, nah, I don't want this. So I'm going to use my curling wand instead and add some curls back to the hair. And I'm going to use this curling wand that I got like back when I was in high school. My boyfriend got it for me as a Valentine's Day gift. I think these are very, very affordable. I think they're like $25 or less. I think they are still sold in Target, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm going to go back and forth in between using this curling wand and my flat iron to add the curls back to the wig. So just a little bit of opinions on the wig. Like I stated earlier, I wish the density was a little bit higher. The color is really pretty. Like, it had to grow on me at first because I was like, wow, this is like really looking vibrant, like real vibrant. It made me nervous. But once I got it on and I took some pictures outside, y'all, by the way, go look at my pictures on IG and follow me on there as well. Almost at 10K. Once I took pictures in it, though, I was like, okay, this color is it. I do think if I try like a color like this again, I would love for it to have a little bit more hint of brown in it, just so it can really be like a good ginger brown shade, if that makes any sense. I think that would be gorgeous, like really, really pretty. Alright, so now I'm going to hop back into using my hot comb again, just making sure I keep those roots flat as possible. And just for a last little detail, I felt like it needed a little bit more pizzazz to it. So I did cut a little bit of layers into the wig just to have a little bit more flowy, pretty, loose curl look. And then once I finished with the curls and stuff, you guys, I kind of just finger combed them out, played with the front bangs a little bit more, added some makeup to my parting space, and just, you know, finessed around with it a little bit until I got it looking how I wanted to. I did have to go over it quite a few times with my flat iron and stuff just to get the curls that I was looking for. But once that was done, it was a look. It was an entire look, you guys. Let me know what you think about this wig in the comment section below. I would really love to hear y'all's thoughts. Would you try this color out? Let your girl know. Make sure you check out my description bar though, because I will have a direct link to this wig, and I also have some coupon codes down there for you as well, so you can save some money on your purchase. Klaiyi hair is amazing. Like, the quality of their hair is always so good. Every single wig that I have received from them has been like top-notch quality. I promise you, the quality of these wigs are really, really nice. So definitely check them out. I thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you again to Klaiyi Hair, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.